Okay, so today we are going to be going through the basics really of EdPuzzle and how you are going to see how this really just is an interactive way of how we're going to present some materials this year in class. So EdPuzzle is basically a video service where you can have videos, but you can edit them as teachers and put in all these special features into it. So I'm just going to go over a couple of the buttons that we have here. So the first one we have is the play button, which is right here. So that's how you stop and start it. This will rewind about 10 seconds. This is kind of the important one. This is our total time bar right there. And then on the bottom, how there's these little teardrops, those are important parts in the videos where the video is going to stop and there's some sort of thing there. These could be quiz questions, these could be comments, it could be an audio recording, some sort of message or question is going to be asked at that point, and the video will stop and then you're going to address it there. The last two buttons over there is just for your sound and to full screen the page. So one type of question that you might see are these multiple choice questions. These are once you'll be seeing the video, it'll stop and then it'll pop up, and then you can either do a few things. Notice too that these are check boxes here. So there may be more than one answer. So actually in this question right here, what is an observation? That's a couple of these are correct. So you could get that there. But you could check more. So then you'll do that, and then you'll click the button over here, which is submit, and that'll give you your answer. If you want to rewatch the portion that you got, maybe to answer that question, you can hit the rewatch button. Or if you just want to skip this question because you're not sure and don't want to take a guess, you can also do that. Another type of question is open-ended, and I should have addressed this with multiple choice, but multiple choice will tell you right away if you got the question right or wrong, or if you got all the answers, and give you the feedback of what it should have been. Open-ended won't do that, so you are going to read whatever the question is, and then you are just going to, right over here in this box, type in your answer. And then again, your teacher will give you feedback, but it just won't be instant. They'll have to review the answer and see if it is correct. So the other type you'll see is these notes. So there's two types of notes. There's the audio and then the comment one. This is an example of an audio note where it'll stop in there, and then this is an audio message that your teacher left for you. So you'd click play and listen to the message, and that'll give you instructions about what you should be doing either while you're watching the video or afterwards. Finally, the comment one. This one is just going to show up as just what it is, telling you whatever the comment means, and then you can click continue or submit, and then you'll keep on moving on, just like with the audio file, the same thing there. So now with this short training, EdPuzzle should not be too hard. It's an easy interactive feature, piece of way to present material, and I think you will be ready to take on this course this year. Good luck.